Logeshwari and I am currently pursuing a Montessori course at Krish Teacher Training Institute, where I am learning a lot about the Montessori method. Here I am learning how to use this Sequin board to teach the teen numbers in Montessori. This Sequin board helps the children to understand the relationship between the numbers 11 to 19 and the concept of 1 and 10s. The Sequin board is a tool that visually shows how the teen numbers are made up of 10s and some 1s. Each tail in the Sequin board represents your numbers. We start with 10 tails, 10 bars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 bar, 1 unit, add 1, makes 11. 1 bar, 2 unit, add 2 makes 12. 1 bar, 3 unit, add 3 makes 13. 1 bar, 4 unit, add 4 makes 14. And go so on. One bar, 8 unit, add 8 makes 18. 1 bar, 9 unit, add 9 makes 19. The second board is a fantastic Montessori tool because it's turned abstract number to something concrete. It also helps your children to develop the fine motors and concentration. Thank you.